Hey guys, what do you think could happen if we pay too much for a stock? Like I said in my previous videos, when I buy a stock, I'm buying a piece of a business. We can find a great business to invest in, but that doesn't guarantee that we're going to be making money off of that investment. The odds of losing all of our money might be slim because the company can last for a very long time. But if we pay too much for this investment, we can still lose money even if it's the best company in the world. For example, on June 1, 2000, Intel Corporation, one of the world's largest semiconductor chip makers, was selling for $74.88. During this time, this company was a high flyer and known to have a bright future, which turned out to be right. The technology advanced year after year, and the demand for Intel chips consistently increased. 23 years later, even with more competition, Intel stands as one of the world's largest semiconductor manufacturers, but the price of the stock is more than 50% less than what it was selling for on June 1, 2000. Today, it is selling for $32.67 per share. So, the lesson here is even if we find the best company, we still need to put in some work to determine its value and then wait patiently to buy it at a good price. We want to invest in companies that are worth or what we think are worth $1 but are selling for 50 cents. If you want to learn more about this topic, watch this next video about buying cheap stock.